No, your shit. Bad boy. Look at yours, it's purple. With random.
You're fucking fat!
You're still filming it.
This is all your fault. You took this on yourself. Bike check 2K12. Let's go. Parent.
Yeah, that's what I said. Alright.
Fuck.
Yeah, and then we got white. Vans close.
They're not really white. They're sort of shit colour.
Jason. Stop it. They're 29 wide and 9.
8.75.
United RN2 stock. First one in the country. United mothership frame. Cracking.
It's a beauty. Where's the crack again here? Somewhere around there.
And then big foundation fuse.
Forks.
The 10 wheel dropouts, I think. Then wheel with salt rim. Laced to a cat on top. And I don't know what the spokes are, but they're white.
They're primo, let's just say that.
Okay.
With an animal GLH.
And then, and then we got the United RN2 seats. Just jamming there.
With a grip.
Spot, obviously.
With one half link.
Yeah, raining. And then there's the
Salt Plus.
sprocket and Starlon cranks because they were cheap. Then Odyssey JC PCs in black and white.
No bearings.
Shit is
We
better.
don't have bearings. Shut up, fat boy.
Your nan. Right.
Then Weird People Feeding Tire.
My old one.
Yeah, gold.
Yeah.
Salt rim again, those two E-clat.
It's not an E-clat, it's an Odyssey.
Odyssey,
Hazard V3.
Hazard V3. Okay.
Rad BMX. Big up Rad BMX.
Yeah.
Brake.
And the brake.
The brake.
Race is broken.
Shut up. Yeah. What's that? Salt Plus.
Odyssey.
Odyssey, vocal
Top plate.
I got my bike back.
Shut up, fat boy.
I got my
Look at
bike
his
back.
tits.
Allow it. Fuck him,
What is
Jason.
this? Vocal.
Vocal gyro.
Odyssey.
Bottom cable.
Little cable and
Shitty hanger.
Salt. Plus.
Salt calipers.